I don't understand it. I went trick-or-treating and all I got was a bag full of rocks. I suppose you spent all night in the pumpkin patch. And the great pumpkin never showed up? Nope. Well, don't take it too hard, Linus. I've done a lot of stupid things in my life, too.
Starts it right, and down I go. Round and round I go, like a leaf. I should stay away, but what can I do? I hear your name, and I'm afraid. Darling, down and down I go.
Those fingers in my hair, that sly come hither stare, that strips my conscience bare, it's witchcraft. And I've got no defense for it, the heat is too intense for it. What good would common sense for it do? 'Cause it's witchcraft, wicked witchcraft. And although I know it's strictly taboo, 'cause it's witchcraft, wicked witchcraft.
dresses up every year.
Me neither. It's Halloween. That is really, really good timing.
I like your shoes.
Thank you. Will you help walk me to the fax machine?
Sure. I got her. I can help you.
Whoa, awesome. Let's put a smile on that face. Damn it, Creed. I've been up since 4.